Good morning everyone. I Shifali from Dips Bloomingdale's. As we have discussed adverbs yesterday, today we will read about adverbs of time in detail. Let's see the examples. Today Preeti arrived early. तो टाइम बताया गया है when Preeti came early, before than the time. We bought this car recently. Just now we have purchased this car. He came here yesterday. So in these three sentences, early, recently, yesterday are adverbs of time. Let's see some more examples of adverb of time. Early, soon, late, yet, still, already, recently, today. We can also add tomorrow, yesterday, day after tomorrow, now, then. These all are examples of adverb of time. Let's do exercise number B. Here we are given some hints and we have to complete with these adverb of time. Usually I get up early in the morning, but today I got up at 7 o'clock. I was already late for school. My school bus arrives at 7:30 a.m. I had no chance to board it. I yet tried my best to get ready. As we have seen that I usually get up early, but today it is also about the time that today I got late. I was already late because I got up at 7. My bus arrives at 7:30 means I hardly had half an hour to get ready. That means I was not having any chance to board it. Even then I tried my best to board it. I quickly took my bath. My school uniform was already ironed. We can also write luckily. I was late. अगर मेरी यूनिफॉर्म भी प्रेस ना होती तो I must be more late. That's why it was lucky for me that my school uniform was already ironed. I wore it, took my school bag and rushed towards the bus stop. Luckily, the bus had not left, means I got ready in time, so my bus was not left. I promised myself to remember this nursery rhyme always. Early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy as wise. You all must have read that rhyme in your nursery grade. So, from that rhyme, the writer had taken a lesson that in future he will always get ready on time. Second one is adverb of place, means that is related to some place. Let's see some examples. Stand there. God is everywhere. He has gone out. Here, there, everywhere, out. These three words show us the place where the work is being done. Some more examples of adverb of place are here, there, near, up, down, in, out, everywhere, somewhere, nowhere. Means where we can see the place where the work is being done. Let's do our exercise C, in which underline the adverb of place and make a new sentence using the same adverb. First is being done for us. The meeting will be held here. So the adverb of place is here. Sentence is made. Here you can sit here, means you can sit. आप यहाँ बैठ सकते हो. Second one is Shweta is sleeping upstairs. So here adverb of place is upstairs. Upstairs means छत पर. तो from upstairs you can make any example like we have written here. I am going upstairs. Next one is go downstairs, means नीचे जाओ. Downstairs means नीचे जाना. So here adverb of place is downstairs. Example, I went downstairs to answer the phone. Third one is we all rushed out. Here adverb of place is out, that we all are going outside. Example of out is I rushed out of the shop. Next one is please come inside. Here adverb of place is inside. He went inside and locked the door. Last one is the child fell down. नीचे गिर गया. So here adverb of place is down. Example is I fell down on the floor. I hope the adverb of time and adverb of place is clear to you all. Tomorrow we will meet with the topic adverbs of manner. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.